guys, my name is Emily. Welcome back to Junk Journal Inspirations. Today I am bringing you the week 19 prompts for the Simply Random Ephemera Challenge. And this has just been so much fun, guys. I cannot wait to come up with another challenge or something fun for us all to do. So just make sure that you're using the hashtag Simply Random Challenge when you're sharing your projects on social media, and tag me as well so I can see it right away. If you're brand new to my channel and you have no idea what I'm talking about, first of all, a huge welcome to you. I'm so glad you're here, and thanks for stopping by. You can find all of the information about the challenge in the very first video I did back, lots of weeks ago. But it's in the playlist that's linked in the description box. It's also linked at the end of this video. And you can just find it on my channel as well. It's just called the Simply Random Ephemera Challenge. And then I might have just labeled it hashtag Simply Random Challenge. One of those. I can't remember. But you can find the first video I did. It was the first week's prompts and the introduction. And then, you can start wherever you want. It doesn't matter if you finish by the time we're finished. You can jump in now and just do weeks 19 and 20. That's totally cool too. It's just meant to be fun. And then, yeah, I think that's it. I'm filming these all at one time, so I can't remember what information anymore that I've done in each video because I'm kind of getting confused. So I'm just going to stop babbling and pick the prompts. All right, our first prompt will be our theme, and we only have 2 cards left, so a foreign country, or, a country not your own. I don't know why I put that there. That's sort of obvious. Okay, techniques. Whoops. Got a glare. I got a new light in my room and I think I need to adjust it a little bit. Oh, we have to draw something. You don't have to be an artist, just something. Even if it's just a tiny little flower, just draw something. All right, our color will be gold. All right, and our 3 items: buttons, and binder rings. I think you know what those are. If you don't, let me know and I'll try and help explain. And wallpaper. If you don't have wallpaper, that's fine. Maybe you have the Tim Holtz wallpaper. The pack of wallpaper that he sells. Maybe you want to draw on paper and make it look like wallpaper. That's fine too. Don't let any of this hinder you from participating. If you need to kind of think outside the box and create something to fit into a category, do whatever you need to do. Just have fun. If you need to leave something out because you just literally have nothing that would fit into that specific category, that's fine. Just do the other 5. I just want everybody to have fun. All right, so I think that's it. Simply Random Challenge, hashtag, tag me. We've got 1 week left after this, guys. So this week will be Jenny doing the process video, so you'll see that video come up in a couple days. And yeah, I'm super excited. Can't wait to see what you come up with. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful week. Bye.